Tired of breaking your back from getting on and off your zero-turn mower? Well, this $100 accessory might make mowing a lot more enjoyable for you. If you want to learn more about this accessory or purchase one, check the links in the description down below. Now subscribe to the Tractor Bob YouTube channel and let's get started. So this accessory consists of only a few things. It's got a bucket, which actually is a custom bad boy bucket. I'm sure if you had another bucket you wanted to use, you could use that. However, the bucket comes in the kit already, and it simply slides down into this steel ring and sits there nice and snug. The steel ring is connected to some 1-inch steel tubing or 2-inch steel tubing, depending on the SKU you buy. More on that later. And the steel tube goes down and gets connected to your mower's front hitch receiver. There is a hitch receiver mount in the box for bad boy mowers, even the Revolt stand-on mower.
If your mower isn't a bad boy or doesn't have a receiver, in many cases you can easily get one added on, either by contacting your zero-turn mower dealer to see if your mower has a front hitch receiver attachment you can buy, or simply by welding one on yourself. And if you can't weld, well, ask your dealer if they could do that for you.
The last thing that comes with the accessory is the claw, which has these grippy grab hands.
Oh wow, it's me, Mr. Grabby Hands. I'm gonna grab ya.
Well, Mr. Grabby Hands, what are you doing here?
Here I come. Grab, grab, grab.
What happens if you grab me? Oh.
The grabber it comes with isn't made for little kids. This is a sturdy accessory and it's probably the best trash grabber I've personally used. The construction is nice and sturdy without being too heavy. The hand lever feels nice and firm, plus the grabber itself is made of metal and the rubber tips are surprisingly effective. To test how well it worked, I had to go dumpster diving to get supplies, but the trash I found was no match for this claw.
Now, while the grabber might be great, this accessory still won't solve all your problems. Just like with anything, there are limitations. To start, this bucket is limited in volume. It will be just fine for normal trash and small sticks. However, larger sticks and branches might not fit well. The bucket itself has an 11-inch diameter with a 15-inch depth and holds 5 gallons.
Compatibility could be another issue if you don't already have a bad boy mower. And even then, you want to make sure you get the right option. There are a total of 4 options. The first has a 1-inch hitch receiver, which also comes with a front mounting bracket, compatible with the MZ Rambler, MZ Magnum, and ZT Avenger. This mount does require you to screw 4 holes into the front rail. They're self-tapping screws and they come in the box. The second is a 2-inch hitch receiver and comes with a mounting bracket compatible with the ZT Elite, Maverick, and Maverick HD. These brackets only take a couple of minutes to mount on. The third has a 2-inch hitch receiver and comes with a mounting bracket compatible with the Revolt series mowers. Quick warning here, these 2 bolts are challenging to get to, so this might take several minutes to get on. We found that the Revolt 2-inch hitch receiver was by far the hardest to mount on compared to all the other options. And the last SKU comes with a 2-inch hitch receiver, however it does not come with a mounting bracket.
This will be the one to get if you don't have a bad boy, but already have a receiver you can hook into and is compatible with the Rebel, Rogue, and Renegade mowers.
There's one last thing. While this accessory is super easy to take on and off, if you plan on leaving it on, just be aware it adds a few extra inches to the front of your mower. Despite these few constraints, I still really like this accessory because I hate it when trash or debris is blown into my yard, and this accessory makes my life a little easier each week. I think it's safe to say that this is one of the best zero-turn mower accessories you can get for under $100. Now, of course, prices are subject to change. Check the Amazon link down below where you can find this bad boy trash bucket and grabber. You can select the SKU you need there. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give us a big thumbs up. That really helps us out a lot. Hit that subscribe button to see more content like this and tap the bell icon to stay notified. Have a great day.